Hello everybody, it's Frank here again with another tip. Now, I don't know if you know, but dust in your radiator panels can actually cost you in your energy efficiency and obviously in bills because the dust acts as an insulation and makes your boiler and your radiators work harder. So just a quick one for you guys. Now, if you've got these types of radiators with the brackets on the end, all you do is slide these brackets up and pull them out. Okay, that's the first one. I've loosened mine already to make it quicker. There's a second, and then you get the top bracket off. Now, what I've done is I've bought myself from Screwfix these brushes. They're called Flue brushes. You get 3 in a pack for £10. Now, I've already done this radiator, but I'll just quickly show you what you do. Get the brush in and out, quick sweep. So we're getting a bit of dust out of it. There you go. Well, that's what you do. All the way to the bottom. When you're done, have a quick over on the bottom, underneath on the floor. You'd be amazed once you open up your radiators and look down these fins, I think they're called fins, the amount of dust that can gather in there is incredible. So to improve your efficiency of your radiator, improve the air quality in your home, because apparently the dust in these things isn't very good for people, and save on gas bills, do this on a regular basis. Get the Flue brush in, give them a clean, give them an over up. Job's a good one. Alright, there you go. Tip of the day. 3 Flue brushes from Screwfix. Clean your radiators. Hopefully you'll feel the difference. Make sure you do every radiator. Okay, that's it for now. Cheers, bye. Oh, just quickly, I do suggest when you do the cleaning that you wear a mask, because it doesn't matter how clean your house is, the amount of dust that gets in between these fins inside your radiators is absolutely incredible, and it will make you cough and sneeze, and you don't want to be breathing it in, so at least get yourself a mask. Okie dokie, right, that's it. Cheers, bye.